the change table. You're a big girl. A big girl. Oh, let's see how big you are. Yeah. Want to pick her up?
1, 2, 3, up.
Yay!
Stand up.
Look how big you are. You're a big girl.
Grab the
Yeah.
wall. Grab the wall. Grab the wall. Yeah, grab the wall.
Ah, it's like nails on a chalkboard.
She loves it.
Look at that big belly. Look at that belly. Yeah.
You're almost holding yourself up. Almost holding yourself up.
Oh. Oh.
Use your face. Use your face.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, she's
Okay.
tough. You tough?
Well, sometimes you're gonna fall, honey. Be very careful. See, just like that. You see free.
She was doing that against the mirror today, and she was having fun looking at herself in the mirror. Whoa. Big girl. Yay.
Camera.
Grab that strap. Oh, does she have a red spot on her head?
Yeah, a little bit.
I was like, oh, the poor thing. Look how tough you are. Look how tough you are. Yeah, let's see those chubby legs. Chubby legs. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Grab the strap. Camera strap. Oh, that string.